the most creative piece in your wardrobe is one you've almost overlooked. Today, I'm sharing 50+ upcycling clothing ideas, featuring all kinds of creative transformations that prove almost any garment can become something fresh, stylish, and completely unexpected. I found all of these amazing ideas while browsing Pinterest, and they're packed with inspiration for anyone who loves sewing, refashioning, DIY fashion, and giving old clothes an exciting new purpose. As you watch, keep track of your favorite transformation because I want you to vote for it in the comments and tell me which idea deserves the top spot. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can save these ideas, revisit them later, and discover even more sewing inspiration. Some of these projects are quick and simple, while others are incredible makeovers that are almost impossible to recognize from the original garment. My personal favorite is number 27, so make sure you stay until you see that one because I think it's one of the most creative ideas in the entire collection. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning transformation in my own style right here on MIZ ANGELA SAWYER. If you enjoy sewing inspiration, creative fashion ideas, and upcycling projects, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, start choosing your favorites, and let's dive into these 50+ upcycling clothing ideas to see which creative transformations inspire you the most. Every piece of clothing has a story, but perhaps the most exciting part of that story has not happened yet. It is easy to look at a shirt, a pair of jeans, a jacket, or a dress and believe it has already served its purpose. After all, that is how most of us have been taught to think about clothing. We wear it, we enjoy it, and eventually we replace it. But upcycling invites us to think differently. Instead of asking whether a garment is finished, it encourages us to ask a much more interesting question. What else could this become? That one question has the power to change everything. Suddenly, ordinary clothing no longer looks ordinary. A forgotten sweatshirt might become your favorite weekend piece. A pair of worn jeans might become the beginning of an entirely new creation. A simple blouse might inspire an idea you never would have imagined the first time you saw it. The clothing itself has not changed. What has changed is the way we are choosing to see it. That is where creativity begins. It begins the moment we stop accepting things only as they are and start imagining what they could become. And perhaps that is the greatest lesson upcycling can teach us. Every time we choose possibility instead of limitation, we strengthen our creative instincts. We become more observant, more curious, and more confident in our ability to solve problems in unexpected ways. Soon, creativity no longer feels like something that appears only once in a while. It becomes a habit, and that habit changes the way we see not only our clothing, but the world around us. The next great idea may not be waiting at a fabric store. It may already be hanging quietly in your closet, simply waiting for you to notice it. And once you begin seeing your wardrobe through that lens, you may never look at another piece of clothing the same way again, because every garment becomes less about what it is today and more about what it has the potential to become tomorrow. Once you begin seeing every piece of clothing as a future idea instead of a finished object, creativity starts showing up in places you never expected. You no longer feel like you have to wait for the perfect fabric, the perfect pattern, or the perfect moment to begin. Instead, you start realizing that inspiration has been quietly surrounding you all along. Every shirt, skirt, jacket, pair of jeans, or dress becomes an opportunity to learn something new. Try a different technique, or discover a design you never would have imagined before. That is one of the greatest gifts of upcycling clothing. It teaches us that creativity grows through curiosity, not perfection. Every project, whether simple or challenging, helps us see the next project a little differently. Before long, your imagination begins making connections automatically. Creativity becomes less about following instructions and more about trusting your own instincts. And that confidence doesn't happen overnight. It grows one project at a time, one experiment at a time, and one finished garment at a time. Every piece you transform reminds you that you are capable of creating something meaningful with your own hands. It's not simply pride in the finished garment. It's the satisfaction of knowing that you looked at something ordinary and imagined something extraordinary. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you don't miss future sewing inspiration, creative transformations, and upcycling content. Be sure to check out the tutorial videos linked in the description, where you'll find techniques, sewing tips, and creative projects to help you continue building your skills. As you keep exploring these ideas, remember that your next favorite project may already be waiting in your closet. All it needs is your imagination, your creativity, and the willingness to take that first step. There is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I'll see you there.